Hey everyone, Michael here. Today I'm going to be giving you guys the best way to trade altcoins in this current market environment. I know everything looks very bad, very nasty, but there's a clear way to buy altcoins so you guys can make a lot of money down the road here without opening yourself up to too much risk. So let's take a deep dive and see how that's possible. It is extremely important that you guys understand that this bear market will be the death of thousands of coins out there. And while I believe that is ultimately a very good thing, it does make your job more difficult to find the best time to buy altcoins. Bitcoin's price history cycle is now broken, so we must change up our strategy just a tad. And instead of trying to catch a falling knife during a recession, why not buy after the knife has already fallen and it starts to get picked back up? It's much better to think of Bitcoin as a phoenix. Do you want to hop on board while it's dying or after the rebirth? Once Bitcoin finds a bottom, it will not immediately start soaring back up into the heavens. It will most likely consolidate for a month or two before moving back up. What I suggest you guys do, or the average trader do, is simply wait until that moment happens and then start to buy. But here's how you guys can do it in a way that maximizes your profits. First, go over to coinmarketcap.com and set up your filter to look just like this. You want to set the price to be under $10 per coin, then make sure your market cap is set to under $500 million. Once you have that set up, go down the list and vet each coin for 5 things. Number 1, does it have a PG name? This means it'll be more likely to be accepted on major exchanges. If it doesn't have this, just skip it then and there. Number 2, does it have a real utility? Is it actually trying to solve a problem? Number 3, does it have a website and strong social media following? This will help it get pumped up in the future. Number 4, did it have a huge boom during the last altcoin season? Number 5, this is optional. Do you think Robinhood or Webull would list it? If yes, this is going to be huge because then you have an opportunity to have it be the next Dogecoin. After you vet each coin and you like it, you guys should just simply put it on a watch list on Google Sheets until the market levels out. And then when you guys feel that the market has leveled out just enough, you guys can start accumulating at your own pace, just making sure that you're prioritizing the coins that have the highest utility and the best chance to be put on major exchanges. The best thing about this method, guys, is you guys are not going to be buying during the crash. You guys aren't going to be worried about any coins you guys buy going all the way down to zero. That's going to be a huge problem there. However, after you guys buy, you're most likely just going to see green roads ahead of you because you've already survived all the carnage. Now you're just buying what's left over and you're buying the premium at a very, very discounted price compared to where we just were 1 or even 2 years ago. If you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you very much.